Welcome to City Grown. Today, in this episode, I'm gonna do my Szechuan style shrimp and vegetables, right? So out here on the grill, I've got my side burner on, I have my wok. There's nothing in it, it's plenty warm, and I have all kinds of vegetables. I'm just kind of gonna blacken them just a little bit into the wok and just keep mixing them around. So I wanna get these cooked up a little bit. It's a little bit cool, but it's going to warm up here. It's going to only take maybe 3 minutes or so, but I'm going to go ahead and kind of saute these up and get ready to go on to the next step. This is a great recipe. You're going to love it. Okay, it's been maybe 5 minutes sauteing these vegetables out here. Again, there's no oil. You can put whatever kind of vegetables you want, right? I like broccoli. There's green, there's yellow pepper in here, there's some zucchini, mushrooms, onion of course, but whatever kind of vegetables you want, that's fine, put them in there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these, put them in another pan out here. Now the grill's not on, I'm just using the grill as basically a countertop table right now, just the side burner, right? So I'm going to put the vegetables in here for right now to get them out of here. Like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wok back down. I'd highly recommend getting a good wok at a store. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of sesame oil in here, let that start to warm up, and we're gonna do some shrimp next. All right, I have my shrimp. I have some cornstarch on the shrimp. I've already got that ready to go. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm not gonna cook the shrimp all the way. I'm just gonna, in a way, saute it just a little bit with this oil. I'm going to let that cornstarch get into the pan because we're going to make a gravy with this, right? So I'm just going to mix around a little bit like here, only maybe about a minute or so. I got a lower heat right now, it's on low. I don't want to, again, don't want it to cook all the way through. I just want it to kind of get pink on the sides like it's doing. I'm going to keep mixing it around, make sure that I'm not cooking it really far. And if I start to see a smaller one, I'm going to put it in my bowl, right? I don't want it to curl up right away, and if they start to, then I'm going to stick it back in my bowl, and I'm going to bring it back here in just a minute. But go ahead and let these cook maybe about a minute or so, just watching them, stirring them. All right, the shrimp's looking really good. It's starting to curl up. I don't want to curl up too much because it's going to finish cooking here in the next batch, right? So go ahead and pull this off, just like so. Just put them right there. Now I got my pan ready to go. I can put just a little bit more oil in here, sesame oil. And then I'm gonna add some, you want some fresh ginger. Unfortunately, all our ginger was gone, so I had to use some powder. But use some fresh ginger and fresh garlic. That's gonna make this really good. I'm gonna let this season up just a bit in here, just like so. Yeah, get crushed up in there. That's gonna be nice. I'm gonna turn up my heat just a little bit. Get that ready to go. Wow, the smell is delicious out here. All right, now that I have my garlic and ginger in here, look at that. Oh, this is gonna be nice, this crust that I'm getting inside here. So I have some scallions I'm gonna put in here, some red pepper, pepper flakes. Put that in there, that's gonna give it some kick. Just kind of mix that up just like so. I'm gonna put my vegetables that are already cooked, I'm gonna bring them back into my wok. Those ready to go. Mix this all together. Oh boy, this smells so good. You wouldn't believe how good this smells out here. I'm sure the neighbors are like, what is Rob cooking? This smells so good. All right, next step. I'm gonna go ahead and take my chicken stock that I have in here, about a cup. I'm gonna make a little extra gravy with this, so to speak. There's ketchup in there, there's soy sauce. This is gonna start to thicken up a little bit because of the cornstarch from the shrimp that's down here in the bottom of the pan. But we're gonna bring this up to a boil, then we're gonna put the shrimp back in, right? Oh, this is gonna be so good. I can't wait to eat this, right? So I'm just gonna mix this up really good. All right, as this is heating up, it's gonna just about come to a boil. It's already thickening up pretty good. So I'm gonna put the rest of the shrimp in. It's gonna get even thicker because of that cornstarch. It's gonna continue to cook the rest of the shrimp, and then we'll be ready to eat. I can't wait. This is so good. All right, look, it's starting to boil up in here. I might let it reduce down just a little bit more, but the shrimp is getting done. It's ready to eat. So I'll take this inside and we'll dish it up with some rice, and this will be phenomenal. All right, I've brought the Szechuan shrimp in. Again, I made this a little extra, I hate to say it, gravy-like. I doubled the batch because I really like that on my rice. So I have some white rice in here. I'm just gonna take some spoonfuls. Wow, this smells so good, incredible. Just scoop out some of the vegetables, a little extra gravy, Szechuan sauce on there, and that garlic. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Yeah, I know it's all gonna taste good. I'm gonna try just a little bite, maybe some zucchini in here. I know it's hot, so I gotta be careful, right? But it's the flavor, that's what we're looking for, right? Oh my goodness. Delicious, highly recommend this recipe. Get it at citygrilling.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will not be disappointed with this recipe. It's very good.